after about 3 trains, boat, 1 car, and I'm now at Gatwick Airport, and I've been chemically assaulted by aftershave salesmen about 4 times. I smell like the makeup department in Debenhams. Anyway, see you in a minute. Hello YouTube, Island Biker here, and I am not even close to my island at the minute. Thought I'd just drop in for another island shorts. At the minute I am on the northeast coast of Scotland with work, hence the tie, sad face. And I'm up here for a couple of days and then heading back down to the Isle of Wight on Tuesday. Thought I would just try a bit of an experiment, because I've never done it. I know people do this all the time, but I wanted to try and do a completely mobile video without my GoPro setup and sort of try and edit on the run. So I'm going to be using this iPhone 8 and I'm going to be using Adobe Rush to edit everything together if I can, do my best. So we'll see how all that pans out. In the meantime, here's a quick summary of my journey up here, and I can say it was fairly eventful. I mean, cancelled trains and a plane caught fire on the way, which held us on the taxi run at Gatwick, so that was fun. And then they've given me the most bizarre car I've ever driven, a Toyota CHR. I'm sure it's a lovely car. I'm still trying to wrap my head around it. I'm still trying to wrap my head around the colour. Here's a picture. This is my room. What is that about? Yeah, what is in that closet? It's not even a regular size to put grown-up clothes in. I am genuinely scared to open this locker. Not gonna happen. I'm gonna put a chair up against it. Wow. I'm back, and you don't want to see that. I've just realised there's the toilet to my hotel room. You don't want to see that. So I'm now in Lossiemouth. I'm in hotel number 2, and I don't know. I'm not going to show you around this one. It's a box, which I'm actually quite glad at. It doesn't have a Victorian death closet like that other place I was in. Man, that was spooky, and it made all sorts of noises and bumps in the night, but hey ho. So I mentioned on my last one I'm up here for work, and today it really revealed the fact that I am so gutted that I didn't have a bike up with me. Through the magical wizardry of video editing, I'll try and show you on a little map that I'll put sort of here. Started up in Tain and then came down this way through Inverness, or near Inverness, and then over to Lossie. But yeah, just more work stuff. Meeting tomorrow, and then I am flying out of here back to my island, so I'm very much looking forward to that. But it's been a good couple of days, and if nothing else, it's been a useful recce for a Scottish tour, hopefully this year, if I can swing it, so we'll see how that goes. Got some interesting thoughts on that one. Anyway, I'm going to go and get some beers and some food, so I'll catch you all later. Bye. can sum this journey up in a few simple words. I've had cancelled trains, I've had delayed trains, I had a plane that caught on fire. That wasn't fun, not my plane. So we were stuck on the taxiway for 40 minutes because an incoming jet caught fire, internal cabin fire or something. So it was fun to watch the fire service bomb down the runway. Always reassuring before your flight takes off, but it was fine. But other than that, it's been a successful work-related couple of days up in Scotland. Fantastic scenery. Had dinner with some nice people. I can't talk too much about the work stuff, but hey, that's what it is. So yeah, hopefully this has all come out right as a video. It's the first kind of travel-related thing I've done, and I'm not trying to do travel-related things. It's just the other side of Island Biker, you know, the life bit and stuff. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Click subscribe, follow me on all the social media platforms. I think I'm most active on Instagram, so it'd be great if you could follow me on that. And hit the notification bell to get notes of upcoming videos. Speaking of which, there is a little bit coming. I've got the whole Cornwall, Devon, Dartmoor thing, and I've got a number of tours coming up. Snowdonia with Motor Rev in May, so I'm looking forward to that immensely. A few other bits and pieces coming up before then. So I hope you all will have a good week. I'm going to try and get this out tomorrow because it's getting quite late and I've still got another train and a bloody boat to catch yet before I get home. So I'll see you good people later, and take it easy. Bye bye.